Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you how to limit quantity on your Shopify. Right, so this is really easy. You have to go and click on your product section where all your product is available. For example, this is one of my product. I will just go and click here. You have to scroll a little bit down. By the way, before going that, there is a variation, right? So if you want to, you want to also change the quantity of your variation product. For example, this is a t-shirt and there are two variation. There is a small and there's a medium, right? So here I have just different quantity. For example, I can limit the quantity here that is around 10 or that is around 20. Oh, by the way, I have to go here, right? So here, right? So this will be the total quantity here, and this is how you can just limit the quantity of your product, right? So if you want to limit your quantity, for example, a customer cannot buy a 10 product in a single time, right, of a same product. Where you can't do this, you can just always go and select that customer and basically you can just remove that customer, but in the Shopify it's not possible. But you can always limit in this way, and if you can do it, then it's great. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.